Good morning everyone, how are you today? We meet again for today's class. Let's look what is our learning objective. For today's class, you will learn how to solve division number sentence involving units of time up to 2-digit numbers. It is involving hour and days, days and weeks, months and years, years and decades, and years and centuries. Now look at the first example here. What is the duration in hours for one phase of archery training if the duration for each phase is the same? Okay, from the picture here you can see the training was in 3 phases and then it is 12 days 9 hours. Okay, before that I want to give some info to you about this archery. Okay, archery is a sport that needs you to keep focusing and do accuracy to hit the target. Okay, back to the question. What is the duration for one phase of the archery training? Okay, 3 phase, 12 days, 9 hours. So if you want to find the duration in one phase, you need to do division. So 12 days, 9 hours, you have to divide 3 because it is in 3 phase. Okay. The division is quite different with the division that you're familiar with. Okay, now look at the division here. Okay, now you start from the day. Okay, 12. Okay, before that you have to know timetable 3. Okay, 12 divided by 3. So in table 3 there is 12. It is 4. So you put 4 at the top and then write again 12. Now you do your subtraction. 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay, this 4 is actually 4 days. Okay, now move to hour section. So 9 in table 3 is 3. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Okay, again you have to do subtraction. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, but this answer is not finished yet because why? Okay, the answer 1 in hours. Okay, this one is in days and hours. So you need to convert 4 days here to hours. Remember, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. That's why you have to multiply 24 with 4. Now start multiply. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 at the bottom, bring up 1. Okay, continue multiplying. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. So 4 days is equal to 96 hours. Okay, now we want to add with another 3 hours here. So 4 days, 3 hours is 4 days is 96 hours just now, plus with 3 hours here. So 96 plus 3 is equal to 99 hours. Means that 12 days, 9 hours, when you divide it with 3, it is equal to 99 hours. So the training for one phase of archery training is equal to 99 hours. Now look at question number 2 here. This one is involving weeks and days. See the answer 1 in weeks and days. 10 weeks divide by 7. Okay, again you must know 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, at the same time, because we divide by 7, you must know timetable 7. Okay, so 10 weeks divided by 7. So we start dividing 10 divided by 7. So in table 7 there is no 10, but the nearest number is 7. It is 1. So you put 1 at the top and then write again 7. Now you do your subtraction. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So what happened to 3 here? So that is the difference with the division that you're familiar with before. So you have to bring these 3 weeks. So just now 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now 3 weeks, so 3 times 3 times 7 is 21. So you have to bring 21 like this. Okay, so you have to do addition here. So 21 plus 0 is 21. Okay, now after you get this one, you can continue your division. Again, look at table 7. It is 21 there. Okay, there is 21 in table 7. So 1, 2, it is 3. So write 3 at the top. Okay, again you have to write 21. But here you have to do subtraction. So 21 minus 21 is 0. So the answer for 10 weeks divided by 7, it is 1 week, 3 days. Now for question 3, 9 years, 4 months, divide by 7. Okay, for this question, it is involving years and month. And you must know 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, it is still divide by 7. Again, you have to know times table 7. Now start dividing. 9 years, 4 months. We start from year first. Okay, 9 divided by 7. In table 7, there is no 9, but the nearest is 7. It is 1. So you put 1 at the top and then minus again with 7. Now 9 minus 7, it is 2 years. Okay, so what is the relation years and months? So 1 year is equal to 12 months. 2 years is 24 months. So you have to plus 4 and 24. You have to do addition 4 and 24 here. So 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. Only after you find 28, then you can carry your division. So again, look at times table 7. There is 28 there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, it is 4. So write 4 at the top. Again, 4 times 7 is 28. Now you do your subtraction. So 28 minus 28 is 0. So the answer for 9 years, 4 months divided by 7, it is 1 years, 4 months. Okay, for this question, you must know the relation between years and month. Now look at example number 4 here. 10 decades at years divided by 12. Okay, now it is involving decades and years. Okay, must remember 1 decade is equal to 10 years. Okay, but the answer here 1 in years. So you have to convert decades to years. Okay, so 1 decade is equal to 10 years. Now 10 decades, so 10, you have to multiply 10 because 1 decade is 10 years. So 10 decades, so 10 times 10 is equal to 100 years. So 10 decades 8 years. So 8 years is already in years. So you just doing your addition. So 100 years plus 8 years is equal to 108 years. Now divide by 12. You have to know table times table 12. So 108 divided by 12 In table 12, there is 108 there. It is 9. So write 9 at the top and then do your subtraction again. Make sure you write down again 108. So 108 minus 108 is 0. So the answer for 10 decades 8 years divided by 12 is 9 years. Now look at example number 5. For this one, it is involving centuries and years. And you must remember 1 century is equal to 100 years. Okay, 21 centuries, 12 years divided by 6. Okay, make sure if you still don't know how to memorize table, okay, get ready with your table 6. Okay, we start from the century. Okay, 21 century divided by 6. Okay, in table 6 there is no 21, but there is a number nearest to 21 which is 18. So 18 is 3. So write 3 at the top as the answer. Again, make sure you write down 18. Now 21 minus 18, it is 3. Okay, what I told just now, 1 century is equal to 100 years. And then this one is, the remainder is 3. So this 3 means 3 centuries. So 1 century is equal to 100 years. So 3 centuries is 300 years. You have to put 300 in the years section. Okay, now what next is you have to do addition. 12 plus 300. Okay, so 12 plus 300 is 312. Okay, from here you can continue your division. So 31. Okay, 3 divided by 6, 3 is smaller, so continue to 31. So in table 6 there is no 31, but the nearest is 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 5. So put 5 at the top like this, and then don't forget to write again 30. Now 31 minus 30 is 1. Okay, bring down 12. Okay, now look again, table 6, there is 12 there. It is 2. So you write 2 at the top. Again, write 12. Now you're going to subtract. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So the answer for 21 centuries, 12 years divided by 6 is 3 centuries, 52 years. Now look at question number 6. This one is still involving centuries and years. Again, look at the tips here. 1 century is equal to 100 years. Look at the question carefully because the answer 1 in years. So what you have to do is you convert centuries to years. Okay, so 3 centuries is equal to 300 years. So 4 years here is already in years. So you just plus 4 years. 300 plus 4 years is equal to 304 years. Now you are going to divide it with 8. Again, ready with your times table 8. Now 3 divided by 8, 3 is smaller, go to 30. Okay, look at table 8. There is no 30, but the nearest number to 30 is 24. It is 3. So put 3 at the top minus again 24. So 30 minus 24 is equal to 6. Bring down 4. So this one is 64. Look again, times table 8. So there is 64. It is 8. So write 8 at the top. Again, write 64. Okay, 64 minus 64 is 0. So 38 years, this one is the answer. So 3 centuries 4 years, when you divide it with 8, you will get 38 years. So I think that's all for today. I hope all of you understand about this topic. I will see you again in the next class, and bye bye.